Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Alienware 13 laptop driver. So first you have to come this website www.dell.com. Then click on support and then click on driver download. Then you enter the name. Alienware 13. Select this. After that you can see this like this screen. Scroll down. Select the driver. You can click on automatic, so automatically you will install driver. If you want to facing some issue selected, so you can select the driver, then select the first operating system. Scroll down, then click on category so you can easy to find. Then scroll down, this is BIOS driver, this is NVIDIA, and you can see the all driver you can see here. Then mouse and all, so you can see Dell Touchpad. So click to download. So it is start downloading touchpad driver. So it is completed. After you can see just touchpad, Dell touchpad, single click to open. Then click yes. Dell touchpad driver, click to click install. So when you click to next to install, after that restart your system. Okay, the updated installer operations is successfully, then close it.